Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ashleigh. Thank you so much for clicking that play button. In today's video, as you guys can see on the description box, I am going to be sharing with you guys all of the products that I got from the Sephora Summer Sale. If you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. So I'm actually really excited to film this video because all of the products that I got from the Sephora sale are all brand new. I haven't tried any of these products before, which is probably a first because usually during the Sephora VIB sales, I like to restock on my oldies but goodies because it's a great way to save some extra cash on products that you already purchased. But this time I decided to try brand new products. Like, these are brand new. So I've got my box here and let's get into it. In no particular order, I'm just gonna start pulling out all of the items that I had ordered online for the Sephora sale. All right, so I have my packing slip here and I have about 11 items on my list, and in no particular order, I'm just gonna start pulling out stuff. Some of these products are brand new to Sephora, but all of the products are definitely brand new to me. So let's see what I got. Okay, so diving right in is the Sephora Pro Palette, and this is the Pro Face Palette, and I got the one that's medium. There's a light, medium, and a deep one. I was really drawn towards the deep, but there's a couple of shades in there I was kind of iffy about, so I said I'm going to try the medium palette, and if I find that it doesn't really work well with my complexion, then I'll move on to the deep palette. But I absolutely love the colors that are in this palette, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you guys so you guys can see it as well. Oh, wow. So as soon as you open the palette, you get this right here, the face chart right here, which I absolutely love. So in this palette, you get blush, highlight, as well as a bronzer. And I absolutely love little booklets like this. I think this is just fantastic. This is really cool. Different looks that you can create. It looks like there's about 3 looks in this palette. And yeah, I'm actually really excited to try this. I think that it's super cool that they have this. They give you 3 different looks. Oh, wow. Oh my God, the mirror is huge. You get a nice big mirror. Oh my gosh, the product, I wasn't expecting this. I thought that the actual pans are going to be a lot smaller. They're a lot larger. This palette is definitely more on the expensive side. I will have a list of all the products that I bought in the description box as well as the prices. It's definitely on the more expensive side, which is why I purchased it during the sale, because it's something that I've kind of had my eye on, and it's best to get it while you can save, you know, 15 to 20% off depending on what your status is. So I went ahead and got this, and honestly, I can tell already that I'm gonna love, I love the blush colors, the bronzers colors. I think everything's going to work out for me. I try to find a way I can show you guys this without blinding you. So this is the palette right here. As you can see, it's a blush, a bronzer, and a highlight palette. And this is the Sephora Pro Face Palette in medium. It looks gorgeous. This item that I'm pulling out is this right here. Again, all of these products are brand new to me, but this is the Too Faced Pressed Powder. I'm assuming. Yes, it's the Too Faced Multi-Use Complexion Powder. I got it in the shade Maple. I'm not entirely sure if the shade's going to work for me. I actually use the Sephora Shade Finder, and in the Too Faced liquid foundation, I'm in the shade Caramel, and it matched me to Maple in the pressed powder. I'm a little bit nervous to open it because it kind of feels loose, so I'm hoping that this didn't break. I'm really scared to open it. Oh, this is cool. Okay. The reason why it felt loose is because, as you guys can see, the product is up here. And then if you just go ahead and lift the pan, there is a sponge down there at the bottom. I'm typically not one who uses these sponges. I like a brush, but in any event, this is the shade Maple. And apparently it's supposed to be a resemblance to the shade Caramel in the liquid foundation. So the next item that I'm pulling out is this right here. This is the new Fenty foundation, and this one is called the Fenty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I'm hoping that I absolutely love this because I do have dry skin, so I just tend to gravitate towards the more hydrating foundations. The original Fenty foundation, like, I like it more times in the summer just because, again, I do have dry skin, whereas in the winter, for me, it doesn't necessarily work out. But I was matched. Again, I just use a shade matcher because I did all of my purchasing online. So the shade matcher matched me to the shade 340, which is a different shade that I have in the original. The original one, I think the shade that I have is a little bit too deep for my skin tone. I never bothered returning it because in the summertime, it kind of works. It's still a little bit too deep, but I just couldn't be bothered returning it. But this is in the shade 340, and it's the new Fenty Beauty Liquid Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. So I'm hoping it's definitely a thumbs up, so I will let you guys know. Keeping in with the Fenty Beauty line is this gloss bomb, and this is in the shade Fussy. Love the Fenty gloss bombs. I haven't tried the shade Fussy. I've just only used the original shade. The name escapes me now, but let me see. It's, again, like I said, it's not a new product to Sephora. It's definitely a new product to me. I absolutely love the Fenty Beauty gloss bombs, so I wanted to try Fussy as opposed to getting the other shade, the first one that came out, because I do like that, and a lot of people talk about Fussy and they say it's absolutely amazing, so I decided to give this a bad boy a try. This is the Milk Primer, and it's the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. A lot of people have been talking about this on YouTube. I just got the small one, the little itsy bitsy size, just because I wanted to give this product a try more on the longer term. This product was actually first used on me by a Sephora associate. I had gotten my makeup done for a wedding in the beginning of the summer, and I explained to her, you know, I have like dry skin and I was going to a wedding, so I wanted my makeup to really last all night. So she actually recommended this. I've seen it all over YouTube, so I kind of figured it would have been a good product to try, and I love the way that my makeup laid underneath. Pulling out is this right here. So this is the Anastasia foundation. This is it right here, and once again, I did use the Sephora shade finder app, and I was matched with the shade 420C. It looks about right from what I can see in the bottle, but based on first impressions, the packaging, the bottle definitely looks a lot like the NARS packaging in terms of performance, longevity, wear, things like that. I have absolutely no idea, but I'm very curious to find out. All right, so next in my bag of goodies, what am I pulling out? So this is skincare. So this is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Day Face Cream. I'm going to go ahead and open it right here on camera. I haven't opened anything. I actually just got this package in the mail yesterday, so I'm really excited. So this is it right here. I think this might be the small size. I can't remember. I think these are all the small size skincare. I believe I bought the small size as opposed to the large size because A, I'm trying to save money, and B, because I don't really know if these products are going to work out for me. But in any event, I really want to try this because I absolutely love, love, love the Fresh line altogether. Like, I love their face cleanser, like the soy. It's just really gentle, non-foamy at all. It's a favorite for me, and I know it's a favorite for a lot of people, as well as the, oh my god, the toner with like the rose petals, like the hydrating toner. I've talked about it before in Sephora favorites. So yeah, anyways, I got this. This is the, again, the Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream, and it's a night recovery cream. Since it's a night cream, I'm actually going to be trying it tonight. So excited. Did get another product from Fresh as part of their skincare line, and this one is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. So I guess this is part of the Rose line, so I'm assuming the toner is all in conjunction with the same line. And I've heard a lot of good reviews on this, and again, I do have typically dry skin, so I really do like hydrating face cream, so that's why I gravitated towards the hydrating night cream as well as this one right here. Anything that says hydrating, and I'm like, yep, buying it. So again, I think this is a small size. Really nice. Like, I'm rubbing it into my skin right now. It feels really hydrating, and it's blending into my skin really nice, and it's not leaving sort of what I can see like a cakey thick layer. I think it'll be a really nice light day cream underneath my primer. So up next, I'm so excited, is this bad boy right here. This is Auntie Pat's newest foundation. This is the Pat McGrath Labs foundation. I have absolutely nothing by Auntie Pat. I have been wanting to try Pat McGrath for the hottest minute. I came really close to buying the eyeshadow palettes, the Mothership palettes, so I decided to test the waters with Pat McGrath Labs by trying the newest foundation, so I'm really excited to see. I'm like so excited. I just used the Sephora shade finder, and I was matched to the shade Skin Fetish Medium Deep number 22. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, I feel like I should be doing like a first impressions. Like, just opening it, it just feels very like luxurious. Look how beautiful she is. Ooh. Product. The bottle, the packaging, Everything looks super luxurious, frosted glass, gold accents. So at first glance, it reminds me so much of the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in terms of packaging. Again, with the glass bottle. This is frosted glass. And this is also a black cap, whereas the Estee Lauder is sort of like a clear glass. I don't think it might be lightly frosted with a gold cap. But first impressions, it looks kind of similar. I'll take it off. Oh, beauty. Already I'm in love with the fact that it comes with a pump. The Estee Lauder does not come with a pump. So this comes with a pump. I absolutely love any kind of foundation that comes with a pump. In terms of product distribution and hygienic reasons, I absolutely love this. So I cannot wait to try this foundation. I heard so many good things about it, and I'm hoping I am in love with this product as pretty much everyone else is. So we'll see. I have two more products that I want to share with you guys. I already am saving one of the best for last. Definitely I'm saving one of the best for last. The next is skincare, and it's this guy right here. This is the Youth to the People favorites. I haven't really tried any of the Youth to the People products. I've heard so many good things about it, and I couldn't really decide on which product I wanted to purchase. So I decided to get the favorites to see which product works best with my skin. So included in this, you get the Superfood Cleanser, which again, I heard so many good things about. You get the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. You get the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. You get the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream, as well as the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So I'm really excited to try this. I will definitely be implementing it in my skincare routine for the month of September. I plan on trying it for the entire month of September to see how well these products work with my skin. So I will definitely report back to you guys and let you know how it works out. Last but definitely not least is this right here. This is the anticipated Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette collaboration. I'm so excited. This was, as I mentioned in my last video, a birthday gift to myself. So I'm super excited to see it. I haven't even opened it yet. So I'm going to go ahead and gently rip it open right now for you guys on camera. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, something fell out. I love it. I love the actual packaging. It's very like metallic, sort of snake skin print. And oh my god, the colors are fantastic. I'm just really happy because, as you know, Jackie Aina is a woman of color, so I know a lot of these eyeshadows are going to work with me, and it's going to be very versatile. I love the formulation and the pigmentation of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes. I've talked about it a ton on my channel, so I was ecstatic when I found out that Jackie Aina collaborated with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So enough rambling. I know you guys have seen this a ton already on YouTube, but this is me showing it on my channel for the first time, and I am so excited by the neutral tones, the pinks and the purples, the golds, of course, which is just gold on brown skin is just absolutely amazing. So yeah, I'm really excited to try it, and I cannot wait to start playing with this palette. Alright, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed my content, definitely give it a thumbs up so I know you guys liked it. Leave a comment down below if you've tried any of these products, because as I had mentioned earlier, all of these products are brand new to me. So if they're a favorite of yours, I would love to know. Also, drop a comment down below recommending any good skincare products or makeup products that you guys have so you can put me on. And yeah, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.